Spigot assembly. Start by fitting a gasket onto the spigot. Mount the spigot onto the bucket from the exterior. Secure it by attaching the other gasket and tightening the nut. Regulate the flow of the spigot by turning its handle on and off. Lid assembly. For lid installation, apply firm taps along the edges to ensure a secure fit. Airlock setup. Fill the airlock half full with water and assemble it. Insert the assembled airlock into the silicone plug and then place it into the lid's dedicated hole. Lid removal. To open the lid, carefully remove the plastic ring around its edge. Utilize the opener to pry up each of the 4 sides of the lid, one after the other. Once all sides are loosened, you can proceed to fully open the lid.